kilig po talaga siya. Tapos talagang mafe-feel mo talaga yung love team ng dalawa ni James at saka ni Nadine.
Hindi siya yung ine-expect mo na gangster movie na parang akala mo pag Wattpad lang, putyo-putyo, keme-keme, pero wait! Kasi ano siya, may story siya, may lalim.
Same na same siya nung nasa book ni Alasana.
Lahat kayo makaka-relate kay Samantha, kay Top, tsaka kay Red. Kailangan nyo manood now showing na yan.
Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta niya sa Talk Back and You're Dead, guys. Thank you.
I'm sorry for being a jerk. I'm sorry for yelling at you. I take it back. There.
Yung favorite ko po, last part. Grabe, abangan nyo yung last part. Grabe po, match na match po dito sa libro.
Si James, mas super improve yung pagiging actor niya. The best. And Nadine, Joseph, Yasin, all of the cast. And Derek Andoy, napakagaling. Sobra.
Blockbuster na siya, actually.
Ano mang sinabi ko? Di ba? Huwag ka nang kumontra. Talk back, you're dead.
May ni-invite po namin kayong lahat manood ng Talk Back and You're Dead, the movie now showing! Talk Back and You're Dead, now showing!
Talk Back and You're Dead, now showing!
Talk Back and You're Dead.